In Mark 8, verse 36, what do you benefit if you gain the whole world but you lose your soul? Sometimes we've been preoccupied because of the dreams, because of kaning mga distractions aning kalibutan. But remember, lumalabay lamang kaning mga naadiri karon. Ang pinaka-importante gyud is ang atong pagpangalagad diya sa Ginoo. That is the purpose para mahimaya siya. So since we've talked about Acts 24, but my life is worth nothing unless I used to finish His work. And going back to John 4:34, my nourishment comes from doing the will of God who sent me and from finishing His work. These are the two most important things na atuag yung isa lang alang sa atong kinabuhi. The next is that the call to finish the work. Both Jesus and Apostle Paul emphasized that we have to finish the task that we are assigned to do. Just start it. Ang problema man gud nato, muratag banda atong kaniadto nga gitawag og intro boys. Maayo lang ta sa sugod. Maayo kita mo intro, di gid nato